Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I'm Nupur and this is my friend Vidya.
Hi guys.
Today we are going to share a very simple breakfast recipe, egg salad sandwich, which you can make easily in few minutes.
And this is going to serve you as a very good breakfast and it's gonna keep you full until your next meal.
And if you are an egg lover, then this is the recipe for you.
Stay tuned.
These are the ingredients for egg salad sandwich. We need 2 boiled eggs, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of chopped spring onion, or you can add more based on your taste. We need 1 teaspoon of butter for each slices, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, salt based on your taste. I'll add pinch of salt, and I'll add few drops of lemon juice. You can add original lemon too. And we'll take 4 slices of bread. Now we'll start the preparation by mashing eggs. Now we'll add 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise in this. We'll add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard sauce. We will add 2 tablespoons of chopped spring onion. One-4 teaspoon of black pepper. And I will add pinch of salt. You can add based on your taste. Also, I'll add few drops of lemon. Now we'll mix it properly. Our mixture is ready. Now we'll take slices of bread. Now we'll spread 1 teaspoon of butter on each slice. And we will evenly spread our mixture. Our sandwich is ready for grill. Now we'll grill our sandwich for a few minutes. Now our sandwich is ready. It looks delicious. Our sandwich is ready and it looks delicious. Please subscribe to our channel for more recipes. Thank you.